What's good, that Mafia family? You are going on a day with nice Sunday, yeah. Yo, I hope you are taking care of yourself, yo, and you know you're enjoying your weekend. Yo, big up to everybody who was that joined the live last night, man. It was lit. We did a review of Pablo YG's Bad Juvie mixtape, man, and it was a vibe. We have a lot of people in the chat. Make sure if you haven't, go check out the live. You know, it's up right now, and I'm gonna be dropping the videos individually as we go on in the week. You know what I'm saying? But big up everybody that showed up for the live, man. I appreciate all y'all. Yeah, man, guys, I see what I do with today. We're back in the Blow Lab Music Lab with an artist, no stranger to the channel. We are talking about Malie Dan, Mr. Valina Card, Mr. Spell, Mr. V6. Yeah, man, you don't know what I say. Malie Dan, dog, they're back with another banger. You see me, I'm going to check him out and see how I'm going today. Yeah, man, apparently a lot of people been waiting for this song and this video. You know what I'm saying? Apparently he dropped the song. You see me, but him don't just drop the video, and a lot of people been anticipating it, especially the woman them. You see me? So he dropped it a day or two ago. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna check it out and see. No, he dropped it yesterday. Yeah, man, I wanna check it out and see what's going today. You see me? If you know my talk about Malie, Lico, Miss Grippy. You don't know the Miss Grippy thing I go on viral on social media. You see me? And say, yeah, man, Miss Grippy. You know what I'm saying? But look at Malie make a song out of that. You know what I'm saying? And girls them seems they've been anticipating and waiting on this for a minute, and that finally dropped the video. So everybody excited about it. I'm gonna check it out and see what's going on. You don't know. Yo, if you're new to the channel, hit the like and subscribe button. Join the family, the latest reaction family on YouTube. You don't know, the Dan Mafia lit over here. The vibes and the energy is unmatched. Nobody can beat me. You know what I'm saying? We're going strong over here on the road to 10K. You see me, we just blew past 2K. Right now, you see the goal for the month is 500 subs. Right now, we're at 305. And we got like 2 weeks to go. So I know we can hit the goal. We can even shoot past that any game. Yeah, man. So we're not going to hold up the vibe much longer. Malie there with hopefully another banger. You see me? So we're not going to hold up the vibe much longer. This is Malie, Little Miss Grippy. Let's get it.
Girl, wind up your waistline. Girl, wind up your waistline. I mean, not coming off your waistline.
No, sir. We're not coming off your waist. No time. I want you.
Girl, wind up your waistline. Girl, shake up your ass. Shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that. Girl, shake up your ass.
Yeah,
shake that.
Shake, man, shake. What you mean, man? So like when girl shake good in there, yeah, do the thing, man.
Shake that, shake that, shake. Girl, shake up your ass. Bounce, 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 bounce. Pretty bitch, I shake up your ass. Bounce, 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 bounce. Get wild and pillow, vagina skin out. Come in on your belly, make it swell up and big out. The trigger get press out, the whole get free out. Nipple get suck off, your throat get dig out. She love when
yeah, man, hey, hey.
me bleach and white and thin out. Brick in your hole, so me lift off and me load.
Mama jaw for the compare. A problem, you know. Mama jaw for the compare.
We fuck out, the whole make you sing out. Your boom boom shave like yard when you below. I love that kitty. Little Miss Grippy.
So you have to hold the woman, the man, and whisper in them ears, you know. Oh, go on, yeah, go on.
Little Miss Tireless pussy. Little Miss I don't know where you do me. And if a time I'm a cutting it.
Look up this, you're tight hole and know you do me, you know. Hey. Hey.
Release, fuck out your
whole
man
pussy.
You with the pussy get a cutting in your face. Innocent but me see.
Yo, we not support domestic violence, you know. You see me that say if you give it you get a cutting in your face, you know. You see me make you ugly enough for the rest.
The slut in your file and pillow, vagina skin out. Come in your belly, make it swell up and big out. The trigger get press out, the whole get free out. Nipple get suck off, your throat get dig out. She love when me bleach and white and thin out. Brick in your hole, so me lift off and me load. Mama me we fuck out.
Brick in your hole, so me lift off and me load. Hey,
the whole make you sing out, your boom boom shave like yard when you below.
Boom boom shave like yard when you build up. Let's look at that easy though.
VIP, very important pussy.
VIP, very important. VIP, very important. Meow. Hey, easy.
On a very important note, you're a very important goat. So goat, I don't know. Something about your pussy make me come quick though. Get wild and pillow.
Short goat, I don't know. Something about your pussy make me come quick though. Hey, hey.
Vagina skin out. Come in on your belly, make it swell up and big out. Each that get press out, your will get free out.
Another one to the playlist.
Your throat get dig out. She love when me bleach and white and thin out. Brick in your hole, so me lift off and me load. Mama me we fuck out, your will make you sing out. Your boom boom shave like yard when it be low.
Man say boom boom shave like yard when it build up easy. Anyway, yeah, Malie, look at Miss Grippy, dog. Another tune, another bang, another one for the girls. I know the girls are gonna feel that one. I see me the vibe on this. Yeah, man, he doing this thing. This is definitely for the ladies. I know the ladies gonna love that. That one definitely can get added to the playlist. You know what I'm saying? Definitely have to girl playlist, bro. If you're gonna vibe with a B and that can help set the ambience and just a chill vibe. Even if you're not planning to do nothing, you know what I'm saying? But if you're alright, this definitely help. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, a vibe. The girl them gonna love that. Summer tune, vibe tune. Yeah, man, that can get added to the playlist, man. You don't know. Malie always makes solid songs. You know what I'm saying? So anytime Malie drop, we know it's gonna be a vibe. You see me? At least so far. Hopefully we don't jinx the dog and him break the street. But yeah, man, anytime he drop is a vibe, man, and we always enjoy reacting to that. So let me know what y'all think about that in the comment section. Drop your comments, emojis. You know what I'm saying? And you know, we get it done, man. You don't know. That was Malie Dan, Little Miss Grippy. Yeah, man, that was a banger, guys. Drop a request in the comment section and I'll definitely get it done. If you request you don't get your shout out and all that, man. You know what I'm saying? We're growing. Road to 10K. Yeah, see me, we just blow up at 2K. On our road to 3K. We're not gonna stop at 5K, but we're going straight to 10K. So I appreciate all of you. Videos is getting better. Vibes is getting better. Look out for the live later on. Around 10 or so, we're gonna be reacting to Valiant's new album, 414. So look out for that. See y'all later. Till next time, it's your boy Jambisco here and he's gonna smash on banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Out.